Lesson 3 Summary. A recipe for fizzy juice says mix 5 cups of cranberry juice with 2 cups of soda water. To double this recipe, we would use 10 cups of cranberry juice with 4 cups of soda water. And to triple this recipe, we would use 15 cups of cranberry juice with 6 cups of soda water. This diagram shows a single batch of the recipe, a double batch, and a triple batch. They're breaking it into circles a little bit differently than I did before. It doesn't matter, the same, both ways work. We say that the ratios 5 to 2, 10 to 4, and 15 to 16 are equivalent. Even though the amounts of each ingredient within a single, double, or triple batch are not the same, they would make fizzy juice that tastes the same. So some key points to know here. To double a recipe, you need to double the amount of each ingredient. To scale a recipe generally, you need to multiply each ingredient by the same number. Scaling a recipe results in a substance that tastes the same as the original recipe. We say that a ratio represents a recipe is equivalent to a ratio that represents multiple batches of the same recipe. So, when you're doubling a recipe, how does the amount of each individual ingredient change? And when you're tripling a recipe, how does the amount of each individual ingredient change? And how do different numbers of batches of the same recipe taste?